Good morning, students. Today we'll study about spherical mirrors and lenses. Yesterday, we learned that one of the properties of image formed by a plane mirror is that it is of the same size. But are all the images of same size? No. You will see that images can change its size when we use spherical mirrors and lenses, and sometimes they can even be projected on the screen. So we'll start with curved mirrors. Now, curved mirrors can be imagined as a part or slice of a sphere. You all know there is a sphere. Sphere means it's round in shape. So it is a part. Okay, essay. It can be a part of a sphere. When the reflecting surface is bulging out. Now, this is the one part of the sphere. Okay, now this reflecting surface which is bulging out, बाहर की ओर है, this is called as the convex mirror. And when the reflecting surface is curved in, it is called concave. You can remember it, children, as you all know cave. How does a cave look like? Cave is somewhat curved inside, है ना? See, now if I take this, so this is curved inside. केव भी ऐसे होता है, गुफा भी ऐसे होता है अंदर की तरफ. So this is the concave part, okay, and the outer portion which is ऐसे bulging, जो bulging है, that is the convex. So you can remember it very easily by using the term cave. Cave को याद रखना. Cave कैसे होता है? गुफा अंदर की ओर curved होता है. So concave is also curved inside. So when the reflecting surface is curved in, it is called as a concave mirror. You can take a spoon or a bowl, a new spoon. It should be preferably a new spoon or a bowl, and you can look at your own face. Now, when you look on the bulging side means the convex side. Bulging means जो बाहर की ओर उठा हुआ है. So when you look on the bulging side, you will see that your face is upright, okay, but it is small. Then when you turn the spoon, or that is the concave side, okay, the one which is curved inside. On the concave side, you will see that your face is upright, but it is larger in size when it is held close to your face. But as you move the spoon away, जैसे जैसे दूर होता जाएगा, you will see that the size will become smaller, and at one point it will become inverted. Inverted means ulta. Okay, so this, children, you can try it at home, and please do try it at home. Okay, if you have a new spoon or a new bowl, you can see your face in that spoon, so it will be easy for you to understand. Okay, that is bulging side, convex side. You will see that your face is upright but small. On the concave side, you will see it is upright but larger in size. That is when you bring it closer to your face, and when you move it away, it will become smaller in size and it will be inverted. Clear? Then we come to lenses. What are lenses? Now you all must have seen your father or your grandparents using a piece of glass to read some fine print in the newspaper. So what did they use? They use a magnifying glass, which is actually a lens. If you notice, if you have observed carefully, children, you will see that the lens is a piece of transparent glass. Okay, it's a piece of transparent glass which has polished curved surfaces. Again, a lens can also be concave or a convex. The convex lens bulges in the middle. Okay, the convex lens here. You can see in the figure, it is bulging in the middle and pointed at the tips. Whereas the concave lens, it bulges at the ends and it comes closer towards the middle. Clear? Now the images formed by the lenses. We will see what kind of images are formed by the lens. First we'll start with the convex lens. The magnifying glass that we use, you all must have used a magnifying glass, children. Now this magnifying glass is actually a convex lens which magnifies the image if held close to the object, and you will see that the object is upright. Clear? यानी कि जब उसको पास में रखोगे सो इट विल बी अपराइट, बट एज यू मूव इट अवे फ्रॉम द ऑब्जेक्ट, जैसे जैसे मूव अवे करते जाओगे the size will change from larger to smaller and the image becomes inverted after some time. So the image from a convex lens when erect will be virtual, and when it is inverted it becomes real. Now I will tell you what is the difference between virtual and real. First let's study concave lens also. Concave lens, the image formed from a concave lens is always upright, but it is smaller than the object. जो original object का size होगा उससे smaller होगा, and it cannot be projected on a screen. That means the image is virtual. Now I used the term virtual and real. Now we will see what is the difference between a virtual image and a real image. Now virtual image means the image that cannot be obtained on a screen. ये हमने कहाँ पे बताया था? Yesterday I told you this is virtual image is formed in a plane mirror. Plane mirror में children, if you see मिरर के सामने जाके खड़े हो, द इमेज इज़ नेवर ऑब्टेन्ड ऑन द स्क्रीन, इट इज़ बिहाइंड द स्क्रीन, स्क्रीन के पीछे होता है. वेराज रियल इमेज कैन बी ऑब्टेन्ड ऑन अ स्क्रीन. रियल इमेज को हमेशा यू कैन ऑब्टेन ऑन अ स्क्रीन. Now virtual image is formed when at least two rays of light coming from an object to appear to meet after reflection from the mirror. यानी two rays of light है, they are coming from an object, and then what do? They appear to meet after reflecting. They come and hit the mirror, and then when they reflect it seems as if they are coming and meeting at one point. ऐसे यहाँ से हुआ, reflect हुआ, and after some time it will come and meet at one point. It is always formed behind the mirror. Mirror के पीछे होता है. Image is erect and the size of the image is same in plane mirror. Concave mirror में it can be enlarged or of same size, and convex mirror it will be smaller. Okay, and real image, the image can be obtained on a screen. Like you cannot, virtual image it cannot be obtained on the screen, but real image you can obtain on a screen. Here when two rays of light coming from an object meet at a point after reflection, reflection हुआ from the mirror, okay, they after reflection they actually meet. Okay, here virtual image में it was appearing as if they are meeting. Actual में वो meet नहीं होते, but here they actually meet. The image is always inverted. Real image will always be inverted, यानी उल्टा. And the size of the image depends upon the distance of the object. Now कितना दूर रखा हुआ है, it depends on the distance, that whether the image is smaller or whether it is bigger in size. So for today we'll wind up, children. The rest will continue in our next class. Thank you and have a wonderful day.